Welcome to Healthy, the channel dedicated to helping you achieve optimal health and wellness. In today's video, we're excited to share with you the incredible health benefits of carrot greens, the leafy green tops of the carrot plant that are often overlooked but packed with essential nutrients. From prevent tumors to relieves migraines, carrot greens are a fantastic addition to your diet for promoting overall health. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video from us. Let's get started. Many of the benefits of carrots are well known, but some of us may not know that the top part of carrots, which consists of leaves and green stems, can actually be consumed and is rich in health benefits. The leaves and stems of carrots are more commonly referred to as carrot green. Many rumors have circulated linking the bitter taste of carrot greens to the possibility that this part is poisonous. However, the fact is that this section contains alkaloids that are considered safe for consumption, nutritious, and have many health benefits. The following Healthy Channel presents the benefits of green carrots for our health. Strengthen the immune system. There is a high content of vitamin C in green carrots. In fact, in a study, the top of a carrot or green carrot has 6 times more vitamin C than the root. You can add carrot leaves to soups or salads to get their benefits in strengthening the immune system, preventing colds and flu, and maintaining healthy skin. Prevent tumors. Just like other green leaves, green carrot contains chlorophyll, which is responsible for the process of photosynthesis. For humans, chlorophyll has benefits because it has strong nutrients, which in several studies have been shown to be able to inhibit tumor growth by preventing cell division. Body detox. Chlorophyll in green carrots has a detoxifying effect on the body, similar to how green tea works. This clearly helps the performance of the kidneys so that they are not too heavy, so that kidney health is also maintained. Good for digestion. One of the detoxification processes by chlorophyll in green carrots is done by cleaning the large intestine. Accompanied by consuming fiber, the intestine will be more optimal in terms of absorption of nutrients and disposal of digestive waste. Support heart health and prevent high blood pressure. One of the supporting factors for heart health is stable blood pressure. Green carrot is rich in magnesium and potassium, which are important in regulating blood pressure. Consuming green carrots will prevent heart disease while maintaining heart health in the long term. Strengthens bones. Carrot leaves contain minerals and vitamin K, which play an important role in the process of blood clotting and maintaining bone density. When vitamin K is accompanied by adequate calcium intake, it can reduce the risk of bone diseases. Carrot leaves are good for the eyes. Eye health is very important, especially in this day and age, where electronic device radiation is a threat to eye health. Just like the roots, carrot leaves also contain quite a lot of vitamin A, which is good for eye health. Relieves migraines. Migraines are headaches that occur on one side of the head that can cause nausea and dizziness. The main triggers for migraines are low blood pressure and anemia. With the ability to prevent anemia and regulate blood flow stability, carrot leaves have great potential as a food intake that helps relieve migraines. In use as an external medicine, carrot leaf juice can be used to gargle as an antiseptic that kills germs in the mouth and cures canker sores while controlling bad breath. There is a possible risk of allergies for those who consume carrot leaves in excess, especially for those who are allergic to celery. Make sure you consume it within reasonable limits to get optimal results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get notifications when we upload a new video.